And because at this point, Blake had been awake for over 24 hours, he trusted the construction workers to finish the job while he got a good night's rest.
Yeah, I'm going to bed. Good night, guys. This is Blake going dard.
And because he was so exhausted, Blake slept for way longer than he planned.
All right, I got a good night's sleep. About to find out how much progress was really done overnight. Like half? Empty. That means nothing has happened since I've been gone.